Rivian's finally getting their act together. Now, here's the latest on this production status. Now, Rivian is quickly becoming one of the biggest names in the all electric vehicle market. Now, its value is nowhere near Tesla, of course, but that's also the case for all other major OEMs. Now, despite the successful IPO last November, their biggest challenge has been production. Now, it's been experiencing repeated difficulties and revving up the assembly line for the R1T and the R1S, which are two awesome EVs. Now, at the same time, it's pushing to get all their electric delivery vans on the road because Amazon is a big deal, and they're big investors. Actually, they're the biggest investors in Rivian. There's only so much that they can do, though, in Normal, Illinois factory, which can do at once, but there's better times ahead. It's going to take some time to get everything running and getting in the right direction. Now, Rivian's CEO and founder, RJ Scaringe, stated that the company is making progress at the facility and still aiming at a 10% EV market share by 2030. They're making progress, he said, and the plan is starting to ramp up nicely. Now, he admitted the ongoing semiconductor chip shortage, extremely difficult for production, and last year they built 1,015 instead of meeting their goal of 1,200 vehicles because of lack of chips for folks, not potato chips, but semiconductor chips. Now, Scaringe confirmed that the automaker has since managed to replace some chipsets with attainable chipsets wherever possible in the vehicle. Now, the global chip shortage is expected to continue throughout the year, and Scaringe significant sign for Rivian future growth is a proposed $5 billion factory outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Now, despite some local opposition and people trying to fight because of the traffic that's coming down, which is going to increase coming in and out of Georgia. Sorry about that noise. But the massive new facility is expected to receive final government approval. So they're working out some snafus. But they're starting from scratch. And so it's real difficult for startup automakers. They always run into production problems at the early stage of their existence. For example, you look at Tesla and you look at the Cybertruck. And not only that, but if you can remember, Tesla was supposed to also come out with a new Roadster. Well, ain't happened yet. They run into some snafus. They're making use, they're going to making use of their quality to ensure a good product. So Rivian is going to be awesome, folks. And this is Automotive Reviews. And remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe.